Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery with a Case 885XL 4-wheel drive with loader. Very genuine tractor with 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, PTO, auxiliary spools, road registered. I'll hop in the cab and have a butcher's. Very fine and nice place to sit. We can watch the world. Good visibility. Simple and easy to use. Very responsive loader, working very well. Simple gearbox, which works with ease. Dead easy. Very good brakes. We'll get up a few gears now. So that's high now. Really away now. First. Oh, slow down for the speed humps. Got to be steady over them humps. Power steering working very well here. An easy to use gearbox, running smoke free. Good brakes. Good hydraulics. After this jump out to show you the PTO running. PTO going lovely there. High 40 and 1,000. It's all together, a solid tractor. We'll go to work. Partex available, UK deliveries available. More information at ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page. Thank you very much.